construction crew. Whee! Hey, Mr. Bulldozer, what are you doing with that dirt? Whee! You're gonna make it into a big hill? Let's see it. Is that the hill you've already made, Mr. Bulldozer? Bingo! Great. Go push the rest of the dirt onto it. Wow, what a nice hill, Mr. Bulldozer. Now let's go see what the other construction crew members are doing. Hey, what are you guys talking about? Oh, you need dirt for your road? Then why don't you go ask Mr. Bulldozer? I'm sure he can supply you with some. Okay. Hello. Hey, Mr. Bulldozer. Mr. Excavator would like to use some of your dirt. Okay. Go ahead. Awesome. Go take it to the other vehicles. Hey, guys. Look what Mr. Excavator's brought. Wowee! Are you going to put it in Mr. Dump Truck's bin? Uh-huh. Wowee! I think we need Mr. Bulldozer to flatten it. Uh-huh. Mr. Bulldozer, get over here. Can you please flatten this dirt? Uh-huh. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Awesome. And I think Mr. Cement Truck wants to make some more cement. Uh-huh. Awesome. Let's make it. Boom, 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 boom. Great. Let's add it on to the rest of the road. Mr. Forklift can lift it up and bring it to Mr. Bulldozer. Now let's flatten it with Mr. Bulldozer. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, what a great road, Mr. Bulldozer. Let's drive on it to make sure it works. It works just like a road, all right. What a great road.